to the Parish Junior College Library presentation on how to access library resources on the online catalog. First step, Parish Junior College homepage, Student Services, scroll to Library Services. On your left side of the screen, scrolling down, click Online Catalog. This will give you access to our 27,000 ebooks and physical books located at the main campus in Paris and the centers at Greenville and Sulphur Springs. Select Search. With this click, you can see the way you can search the online catalog by title, author, and keyword, plus subject. For example, subject. We're going to pick an American hero, Audie Murphy. Last name first. You select. Here's the title. Selecting the title. Since Parish Junior College, the collection, we have several. DVD, books, reference, archives, CD, and the general collection, of course. Call number, we use the American Library of Congress classification system, which means every letter and number means something. Status is checked in, which means the book should be on the shelf. If you're at home and wish to pick up a book, select Request Item, and the book will be waiting for you at the circulation desk. The title is right here, and your search has been highlighted. That's a basic search. Advanced search introduces you to the concepts I showed you in basic: title, author, and subject. You can see the limit here in advanced is location and collection. Now we're going to go to power searching. Basic and advanced that I've showed you, plus Boolean operators, three little words, and, or not. Now I'm going to go back to basic search. Search, looking for an ebook. An ebook will be noted by the words computer file or ebook, electronic book, and for everyone's convenience, there's two ways to find an ebook in the online catalog and the off-campus login. But here, you click here for your ebook, and the book will come up. And remember, you have to create a free account in order to access this book and download it. And this concludes how to use the online catalog at Parish Junior College.